What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I know that you are looking for a VPN. You've heard the names Nord VPN, Surfshark, things like that. I'm bringing you one that is a little bit less known, but just as powerful. I'm going to tell you why you should get involved, how you can get involved, and why that link down below is going to get you the best deal on Purevpn. So let's get straight in. So Purevpn is exactly what I'm talking about today, and just to give you a quick overview of what it looks like when you're inside. All right, you have the dashboard, the locations, notifications for a friend, set up on device, all that. So all you gotta do, you literally just click a button, let your computer allow it, and it's going to connect you. It's that quick. All right, so first one being that quick, I'm very impressed. All right, if you want to change your server, you can just try a different one. It asks you, did this one not work? Yeah, it did work. I just want to change it for this video. Okay, don't want to do all that. It asks you a lot of questions, which is quite good to get the feedback. And there it has changed server. So if you're trying to stream Netflix, which I'm going to show you in a second, and it doesn't work, then all you do is change server and then it will start working again. All right, if you actually want to check different locations, you can go through the countries list. Now, there's not a bigger list than NordVPN and things like that, but it's a very detailed list. All right, if I want to go to Switzerland, literally just click yes. I like that it asks you every single time to make sure you know what you're doing. And within a second, it's connected to Zurich, which is in Switzerland, right? Super, super cool. Let's see what it's like for streaming. Right, guys, here it is. You know this is something I like to do. All right, so I'm going to have a look. So right now, still Jeffrey Dahmer is #1 in the English United Kingdom Netflix. All right, so let's connect to Switzerland again. Again, it takes less than 3 seconds and we're connected. And let's see if this can actually get into the Netflix on a different catalog, which it can. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if Jeffrey Dahmer's #1 again, but let's have a look if it's even got the top 10. I don't think Switzerland do a top 10 catalog. I can't see it there, but you can see how everything has changed. All right, we've got some different things in here. If we go and change this to, for example, let's go with Thailand. It will bring up a different catalog. So this is exactly how VPNs are meant to be used through Netflix and stuff. All right, you get the access to change the catalogs. And although the big name in VPNs, this isn't one of them, Purevpn is sort of a lesser named, I still think it's up there with probably one of the best ones to use because it's extremely fast. Look how fast that was. I'm now watching the Thai Cave Rescue, which is #2 in Thailand today. Okay, super, super cool. Just really, really quick and effective. So it's got everything you need on here, all the privacy that you need. All right, you can go through all the troubleshoots and see it yourself. It's got a kill switch. What kill switch does, all right, is actually takes all your information offline if a server was to go down. Now, that's the last thing we want to do, is keep our stuff online. So all you got to do is internet kill switch, all right? Kills that on. If a server goes down, your information is wiped. It has a no log policy, just like we like to see on some of the VPNs. And to be honest with you, the interface and the backing of this is really, really cool. Their customer support is so fast. It's really, really nice. Well done. They get straight back to you, all right? And you can go up here, have add-ons. It tells you all about how you can step-by guide, getting into Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, stuff like that. iOS for 8.0 later. I've got mine on my Mac, and it's working absolutely fine. So I am highly recommending Purevpn. Now, what I want you to do is hit that link down below, because if you want to get involved, you are going to get the best discounts there is by hitting that link down below. We bring you the best discounts because we've got a team finding this everywhere. So have a look. This could be on smart TVs, other devices. You have it as your extensions, anything you like, all right? I'm very, very impressed with Purevpn. So go to onlyvpns.net and click the Purevpn. If this is what you want, let me know in the comments. So there you have it, guys. Purevpn. Again, that link down below is going to get you the best deals that you can get. I am blessed that I get to show all these VPNs to you. I'm not going to say Purevpn is my favorite, but it's up there as a strong, strong contender. Okay, it's a little bit less known, but just as powerful. Go and check the prices off and let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next video after you've hit that like, after you've hit that subscribe, and hit that bell. See you there.